Good evening. It's November 10th, 2015. Yeah, so it's the evening. Been busy in the mornings lately. Headed to work and all. It's weird. I like it though. It's my 7th day, and it's been good. I'm consistently a lot faster here than I have been in the past, which is cool. I mean, partially because it's problems I'm familiar with. Like, I've done a lot of tech stuff with whiskey and whatnot. And the Mac stuff I am doing, I've done before. So, I don't know. But the stuff I did on iOS today was crazy, pretty hard, and I got it done really fast, which was cool. So, I don't know. It's been fun. I'm trying to decide how much I should say. Well, this you could probably infer anyway, so I don't feel bad saying it. They've been working on it for a while, which is fine because this stuff is hard. Right, whiskey's been in the works for some time now, and it's really good. They've made a lot of like amazing progress on the web. And I like to ship things. I'm pretty impatient like that. So that's why at Venmo I was like, hey, let's like work really hard and ship this really fast. And that didn't really go over so well, which is fine. It's fine. They don't have to. So with Canvas, and we don't really have to either. Like we're set for a while. It's not like we need to launch tomorrow and get a bunch of users, or we'll run out of money, kind of thing. So it's nice that it's not like stressful. On the other hand, like I kind of like that pressure. Not like I'm gonna lose my job and go hungry pressure, but let's ship this soon so people can use it. Because for me personally, I get a lot of motivation from people using whatever I'm working on. That makes it like way more fun than just working on something and never launching it, or working on something I don't care about. I don't know. Like most of my client work either never launches or I just don't care about it. So I'm excited to work on something I care about, which I am doing. I'm also excited to launch it. So I was, kind of pushing today for, let's pick a day and shoot for that and release something. Because what they have is really good, and they can, finish it soon if they wanted to. It's just intimidating to have worked on something so long and then like finally release it, So anyway, that's been an interesting like ongoing conversation of just like, the spectrum of like shipping it as early as possible and then like polishing it so it's good. And there's definitely a balance. And I'm definitely on the extreme of one end, and that's fine. There's others that are on the extreme of the other end. So I think it's a good balance. And hopefully, we launch something soon. I mean, soon-ish. It'll probably be, measured in months, not weeks. But yeah, I don't know. It should be fun. So. And I have a ton of stuff to do. The iOS part of what we're making is really complicated, but I have a pretty good proof of concept working already. So, if we pick something a couple months out, I'd love to be able to ship iOS that same time, which we had never planned to do. It was planned for like months and months out, like 6+. So that'd be really cool. Maybe even launch Mac at the same time. I don't know. I'd love to do all of the Apple platforms all at once. That would be really cool. Minus the watch, because that's useless. So I don't know. But I'm really enjoying working on it so far. And I'm really enjoying my side projects. Hoping to finish Old Sport tomorrow night. It's been really fun working on it with Addison. yeah, I don't know. Life is good. I'm building a dining table with my friend John. So I was in the garage cutting wood all night, which is pretty fun. Yeah. Got my motorcycle repaired, so that's cool. Rode it today. Very fun. The trip was fun, but it wasn't what we had planned. I didn't get to motorcycle to Yosemite, and we didn't get to really see Yosemite, so that was kind of a bummer. But it was good overall. Just didn't get to do the things that I'd hoped to do. Maybe another time. I'd also love to go back down to LA and San Diego again soon. See those friends I saw that time, and also, that ride's awesome. I'd love to camp more this time. Last time I stayed in a hotel on the way down halfway. This time I'd probably prefer to camp somewhere instead. I think Pismo Beach is a good stopping point, and then LA and then San Diego works well. Maybe on to Mexico. I don't know. It's getting kind of cold here, even though it's never really cold here. So I need a haircut so badly. This is getting out of control. So I don't know. Maybe it'll be a bit. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, and it's 11 o'clock, so this is probably super low energy. Anyway. Yep. Life is good. Have a good night.